Welcome back, guys. Today we're having a very quick look at the BYD Sealion 7. Now, we've had a look at the 6, and first impressions, I think it's a beautiful looking coupe. I love the rear end, which we'll get to shortly. At the front, we've got the revised front bar. You've got these nice air vents that actually are functional, air right through the side. Very aggressive and, very performance looking car. Moving on to the side here, we've got the 19-inch wheels with the premium model. If you go for the performance, you get the bigger wheels and obviously more power. Now this is a full EV car, and in the performance, you get 0 to 100 in approximately 4.5 seconds, which is ridiculous. Coming onto the side, you've got the nice kind of handles that pop in and out. What do you think about that? Moving on to the side, this is the best part of the car in my opinion. Got this beautiful coupe looking rear end. And how cool are these lights? Remind you of the Cayenne or what? Got the roof spoiler, got the nice little fin at the back. And this color combo looks absolutely phenomenal. I'm not trying to be a BYD fanboy here, but this car looks very well presented, very well done. Now let me show you the best part. Come inside. Alright, so we've got the famous BYD swiveling screen. Press the button, swivels just like that. Got the digital display in front of you, heads up display too. Got the nice finished steering wheel with great buttons. Wireless charging right here. Very nice, cool looking gear selector. Kind of reminds me of like a diamond. Got the ambient lighting that will come across the whole car as well. You've got this little panel here, which seems a little prone to fingerprints, but it does give you like a very premium finish. Got the upgraded sound system in these cars, and you've got the glass panoramic roof. The diamond stitching on the seats. And you can see the lights turning on and off with the ambient lighting package. Let's go to the back seats real quick. Plenty of space. Got a little cool gimmicky center console, armrest. But overall, it's a great car. Let us know what you think.